Let us enjoy reading this story of one nut and two boys. Two little boys were playing together. One little boy saw a nut on the ground. Before he could pick it, the other boy took it. The first boy demanded, "Give me the nut." "It's mine. I only saw it first." The other boy replied, "It's mine. I only took it." This led to a quarrel between these two little boys. Just then a tall boy came that way. Upon seeing the quarrel between the boys, he said, "Give me the nut and I'll settle your quarrel." He split the nut into two parts. He took out the fruit seed. He gave one half shell to one boy and the other half shell to the other. He put the fruit seed into his mouth and said, "This is for settling your quarrel." Moral: when two people quarrel, someone else gains.